ese bimeze bite? Ubu nibwo buryo bwonyine ushobora gucukubira n'ubushomeri ufite ibihumbi 200 byawe gusa.
Sezera ku bushomeri guhera kakanya. Mvuze ngo iki? Sezera ku bushomeri guhera kakanya. Ubu guhera ku 200 byawe wowe umu agent wa FDI ukajya utanga serivisi zo gucuruza umuriro, amayinite ndetse n'ifatabuguzi rya StarTime n'ibindi byinshi bitandukanye, ugatangira gukorera umufungo, ubushomeri ugatera ishoti, ukitwa cash money. Ku bindi bisobanuro watwandikira kuri email yacu info@fdibiz.com cyangwa ukadomagara kuri telefone yacu ariyo 078115 no FDI kuzaniye application yitwa Ifashe. Ushobora kuba wakoresha igura umuriro, amayinite ndetse n'ifatabuguzi rya Star Times. Nta kindi bisaba uretse kudownloading application Ifashe kuri Google Play. Sibyo gusa kandi kuko no kubakoresha amatelefone y'amatushe tutabibagiwe. Kanda akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego ube wabasha kubona izo serivisi zose zavuzwe haruguru. Gabanyirizwa kugeza kuri 5.5% kuri buri serivisi yose uguze ukoresheje application Ifashe. Ku bindi bisobanuro watwandikira kuri email yacu ariyo info@fdibiz.com cyangwa ukadomagara kuri telefone yacu ariyo 078115 Ifashe, easy and affordable for you.
Aya basi nicama cyane gutinda dukomeza cypher dukomereza twari turi. Wibutsa iyi filmu yisanga kuri agasobanuye films.com. Ni website ubu filime ziri gusohokeraho ndetse na buri munsi kuri BTN. Bimeze bite?
Recently closed all of her bank accounts and
ibyo twagiye tubibona
accounts last week.
Scarlett umwe wapfuye bavuze ati konte ye ukwezi gushize icyumweru gisa mbere ukapfa yarebanje gufungwa. Faya umusaza twabonye bavuga ngo bari hafi bakiri icyo bakora. Bariko bajya gutabara Scarlett. Byabaye mwabibonye.
I've just been feeling kind of lost.
Numvaga icyo kimeze nkaho nayobye. Wa mugore we ndetse Scott nako kati niko yapfuye. Bimeze bite?
Never leave me alone.
Uyu yafashe telefone ya Kati wa mugambanya hisha munsi y'intebe.
Daddy.
Papa ndagukunda. Akana byabaye ngombwa kakiyereka ko agihari.
What's going on?
Ese ni biki bijya mbere? Sasa yuguye bwo yari gukuramo kode agenda areba neza umuntu undi bazakurikiza kwica. Yabonye izina rya risozi zakurikira mu bazapfa. Nyagasani umuntu ugiye gukurikizwa kwicwa niwe. Tugare kuba agent ba FBI babiri.
How about we lighten the mood a little?
Man, ko munari kutameze neza.
What do you say?
Urabivuga yiki?
We put this case behind us.
Ikirego reka tukishira inyuma yacu.
Go and grab a beer.
Tujye kunywa dunia yote. Oya mfite sheri.
And you don't have plans.
Mfite umupango nako.
Well, is it plans or
umupango?
a date?
Cyafite umuntu mugiye gusohokana w'umuhungu. Bagiye gutereta. Nyine niko nabyita. Umukobwa kumba afite gahungu bagiye gusohokana kagasheri. Ni Liz. Kibazo ki?
Nothing.
Ntacyo.
It's just with everything we've been going through.
Gusa nyuma y'ibintu byose twanyuzemo.
Surprising you had time to meet someone.
Biratangaje ko ufite igihe cyo guhura n'umuntu.
Wait.
Twahuriye ku mbuga.
You're telling me you're going on a blind?
Bisa ngugiye guhura n'umuntu utazi bahuriye ku mbuga nkoranyambaga. Ni kari ku mubano mwinshi usigaye ugenda.
Relationship.
Mubano ngo bahuriye ku mbuga nkoranyambaga. Umukobwa n'umuhungu bagiye go.
We are just going for a drink.
Umva tukiri ko kunywa dunia yote nta nibirenze.
Yo, those sites.
Umva sira mbuga nkoranyambaga sayo.
Full of catfishers.
Sira mbuga zibasusuye abantu babeshya mbe ugasanga umuntu yashyize amafoto ngo niwe nibimuranga kandi atari byo ba catfishers.
Of course you can.
Katurore. Mbona nanjye arabanyiyitirira ngo nitwa Rocky ntago nkoresha izo mbuga.
That is none of your business.
Umuhungu umunyamahirwe se ninde ntago bikureba ariko.
Oh, come on, Reese.
Cyukira ariko Reese mbwira. Agiye gora n'agahungu. Sawa.
It was Antoine.
Yitwa Antoine.
Damn.
Hey.
Lover.
Uvuze ngo n'umufaransa.
Oh, he's got me beat already.
What makes you say that?
Aragufite aho ngaho kabisa.
Reese.
Urabizi Liz.
As charming as they may seem.
Umuhungu nimba nk'uko umuvuze ari mwiza. Ashaka kuba ari umutubuzi.
You can't trust them all.
Ntabwo wajya wizera abantu gutyo.
Thanks for the advice.
Urakoze kubw'inama ungiriye. Umuntu yiboneye sheri. Abanzi ngo umuhungu wabona ari babatubuzi jya witondera abantu. Baretse umuntu akamenya ibye.
Reese, wait.
Reese, wait.
A good agent always gives good advice.
Umu-agent mwiza iteka atanga inama nziza.
Have fun on your day.
Ugira ibyishimo.
Be open to... Just give me a rain check on that tray.
Basi uwo muhungu mu gihe muri gusangira wirekura umuganirize nyine winezeze nta mpamvu yo guhora urakaye. Amugiriye inama ni mugenzi we. Gatururi. Reba filime. Yo. Yatse imodoka yerekere. Gatururi. Aya basi. Iyi ni episode ya 5 ndetse tugenda tugana ku musozo wa cypher. Narakubwiye ngo nta kongera gutinda. Ndetse izi filmu zisanga ku gasobanuye films.com. Gatururi. Ndetse kuri BTN buri munsi saa 9 kugeza saa 10. Ndetse ukeneye kwamamaza nimero uhamagara ku cyicaro gikuru cy'agasobanuye ibikorwa bye tukabasha kubigeza ku bantu benshi agahira rimwe. Akorino. Gatururi. Do. Uyu ari hano. Ku kagofero mu maso agenda yihishahisha nyine. Igihugu cyose kizi ko yapfuye. Yaje Akorino. Ikindi kuri list yabonye ko ari uzakurikira mu gupfa. Rebe. Yo. Gatururi. Aza hano. Urebe filime. Yafashe inzira akimara kubona ko zamwumi yari uzakurikira gupfa. Fili ya mbere haro yayisaza. Kuri liste y'abazapfa ni ukurikira.
It's me.
Nye, afite ukuntu avuga nabi.
Hell is me.
Njyewe se ndinde.
Who it is?
Uzuwo ndiwe.
Can I come in?
Nakinje na avuga nabi. Will.
Man.
Mwana.
You got some major balls coming over here.
Cyakora uriyumva koko ku buryo utinyuka kuza kundeba.
I need your help.
Nyene ubufasha bwawe.
Those that helped you in the past either got arrested
Iryo jambo ngo nyene ubufasha bwawe mu myaka ishize ryaragufungishaga cyangwa rikakwicisha.
and it got me arrested.
Ubushize waramfungishije sibyo?
Just let me in.
Waretse nkinjira. Uyu mugabo yose ashinzwe umutekano.
Just like you now.
Ubu ndi guhigwa meze nkawe.
A fugitive.
Nahoze mpigwa.
I did time.
Narafunzwe.
Away from my family.
Imyaka 2 ndi kure family yanjye. Umeze neza.
What?
Ikize.
You don't have a family.
We nta family ugira wakigorye ngo baragufunze utandukana na family yawe.
Yeah, you're right.
Uzikari byo ko nta family ngira.
Finder.
Cyari cyarabyibagiye cyisi ko kigira famille. Hari abantu bagenda bakicara kavuga ati ngiye mfite umugore n'abana ariko barabizi. Ari kiba cyonyine nta mugore. Bikakijya umutwe kikagira ngo uko gifite famille. Ngiye mfite famille. Ngiye ndubatse. Sinubatse mwese se mureba ku karubanda. Ndacyakira intwererana. Twerere. Akorino. Yari hano. Yaje mu kabari ngo gura n'umuhungu. Reese. Rwaje kumureba.
Antoine.
Niwe Antoine. Ni umuhungu bahuriye ku mbuga. Nacerewe.
Pas de problème.
Pas de problème. Bivuga Agafaransa. Bivuga Igifaransa se?
That was it.
Oya gishiriyaho. Kirangiranye n'iryo jambo pas de problème birangiriyeho. Barasekana. Bimeze bite? Tuvera twigarukira ko no mu mujyi. Mu gicuku. Sasa baramwinjije.
You're supposed to be dead.
Mano wakagombye kuba warapfuye.
Dead.
N'ubundi narapfuye. Mpagaze ari.
I'm around here anyway.
Oh. I'm not here to bust you. Not this time.
Kuri inshuro ntago nshaka kugufungisha.
Never again.
ahubwo uvuga ngo ntuzongera kumfungisha ntinyarigeze kumufungisha.
Cleaning lady canceled on me this week. Last week
Ana
too.
narindi ko yakora amasuku nzinga umukobwa azansura ntiyaza cyumweru gishize.
Christmas 3 years ago. You put me on the map.
Imyaka 3 ishize kuri Noheli nibwo wakize ukarubanda.
A hacker wants for Christmas. Like evil Santa
Can you
Claus.
just
Mwana fata dunya yoto ceceke. Aramucecekesha.
risk coming here so
Mwana ishize mukangara tete kuza hano.
listening than talking?
Byaba byiza unyumvishe kurusha kuvuga. Nkeneye ubufasha.
That already.
Wabivuze.
So why don't you explain to me this whole zombie fiasco?
Sobanura ibyo bibazo byawe rero zombie fiasco.
Trying to kill me.
Bari kugerageza kunyica. Inde?
What I'm going to tell you needs to stay a secret.
Ibyo ngiye kukubwira bikumara ibanga.
Can I trust you?
Nakwizera?
Yeah, sure, whatever.
Wanyizera nyine.
Whatever.
Wivuga gutyo.
Yes.
Yego wanyizera ninywera dunya yoto.
Tell my friends that I helped a federal agent.
Urumva najya kubwira inshuti zanjye zabaka ngo nafashije umu agent wahoze wa FBI.
This is big.
Ibi bintu ngiye kukubwira birahambaye cyane.
Big.
Hey, arabwira umurara yaje kwitabaza umurara arabona.
If you help me, when all this is done, I will help you.
Nuramuka umfasha ibintu byose bikarangira rero ndagufasha kuhasukura. Umve. Anywamo.
What do you say?
Urabivuga iki?
You know, I've hacked the government.
Urabizi leta nayihakinze imyaka myinshi.
Even your illustrious
Ndetse n'iriya FBI yanyu narayihakinze.
And you, the only one smart enough to catch me.
Niwe munyabwenge wenyine ubashije kumfata. Rero
respect you.
ndakubaha mwana kuba waramfashe nari nzi ko ndenze.
All right, what am I looking at?
This list contains 5.
Iyi list iri amazina y'abantu batanu.
I need you to find out if there's
Ndagira ngo umenye
a possible link between them.
nimba ari ikintu gihuza bano bantu.
Facebook,
Uhakinge Facebook zabo,
bank accounts.
imbuga nkoranyambaga zabo, account zabo zose ubwo za konti.
James.
Okay.
Bakuranyishura 200. Yaramuciye miliyoni 2. Sawa. Gitorori.
All right.
Na amazina y'abantu bose bamaze gupfa bari muri iriya list.
Your name's on here.
Ko nawe hariho izina ryawe se? Yego nyine.
I know.
Ndabizi. Nawe hariho izina rye. Wibuke yibonye muri iriya list ko
Part about working in Paris is
ikibi cyo gukorera iparini.
planning lunch.
Igitondo cyose upanga kuza kurya ibya saa sita.
You eat lunch.
Ibya saa sita ugashiduka ubiriye nijoro.
Half-time job.
Bivuze ngo ukora hafi igice cy'umunsi.
Like that.
Bimeze gutyo.
It sounds a whole lot better than my job.
Njye ndumva birenze akazi kanjye ariko.
Aren't you an FBI agent? And that's gonna be exciting.
Hasi harya ntabwo uri umu agent wa FBI.
If chasing bad guys around
Ya buri munsi mba ntiga abantu babi.
you, then
Abantu hari igihe mupfa ari ibintu byiza.
but you know it sounds
Nyine umuntu ari
a
kubyumva.
lot more exciting.
Ariko bishishikaje tu kuba umuntu ari wa FBI ngahiga abagizi bana bari ku kazi kaba kaguye.
Told me that you worked for the government, and I won't lie, it's a little intimidating.
Kuba warambwiye gukorera leta rero byanteye ubwoba.
I kept second guessing my choice of words.
Ntangira gutekereza amagambo nzakuganiriza mvuga nzatereta umukobwa gute ukora muri leta ne. Ariko nta bandiri biri sirimu mba ngomba kukubwira ibyo nshaka n'ubundi sinigi wanyu. Nuko umurara ari gutereta umukobwa we. Ati naje gutereta mvuga nire wa mukobwa ukorera leta uriyubashye. Ngomba nanjye kuza mvuga utugambo niyoberanije nigeze akana keza.
Attractive. Irresistible young man.
Tangira kumutera imitoma sinjya nsobanura utugambo nk'utwo two kureshya abakobwa mba numva ari ububwa.
Yes, we'll both have another one.
Twese twongere dunia yote.
Thank you.
Oya ngiye ntume.
I was here waiting for you.
Wibuke ko naje mbere yawe nanyweye dunia yote nyinshi we wakererewe.
Come on, just one more drink.
Rero ngira unywe mariko rimwe wana. Ninjye uri butwara.
Okay, we'll see.
Sawa, tumaze kureba. Okay.
Tell me about yourself.
Abambwira ibikwerekeho.
Exciting thing that's happened to
Bwira
you.
ikintu gishishikaje. Kigeze kikomba ubuzima bwawe.
Come on, don't be shy.
Bikiri soni.
Grabbing on.
Nahereye kare mvuga.
Most exciting thing in a long time.
Ikintu kimaze cyambaye igihe kinini gishize. Gishishikaje.
Date in a long time.
Nukuba nongeye kuza gusohokana n'umukobwa nyuma y'igihe kinini. Kandi umukobwa akaba ari mwiza. Agahungu kari hano gafite utugambo twiza. Hari abahungu babazi kuvuga.
It's a long time.
Harashite igihe kingana iki?
How come a good-looking guy like
Gute umuhungu w'ibogari nkawe
you for such a long time?
amara igihe kinini adafite sheri?
Time.
Ni igihe nyine.
in trust.
nabusikiye n'icyizere nibyo byatumye nguma ndi singo ngo yabuze uwo yizera bura n'umwanya wo kubijyamo nibwo abonye umwanya wo kongera guteretana nanjye nimbona umwanya wo guteretana nzababwira.
Very sorry for your loss.
ntawo mfite.
As you know, it's protocol for family members to identify recent
sasa ubashe kumuganiriza
accident victims, but
biba bigoye kumenyesha umuntu wo muri famiye wasigaye ko mwene wabo yapfuye.
no, let's move forward.
reka dukomeze imbere mbwira.
Sure.
koko
Yes.
yego.
Yes. Please.
katurori yaje hano umusaza abashe kumwereka we wapfuye.
Can you confirm this is your wife, Scarlett Watkins?
watubwira nimba yari umugore wawe Scarlett Watkins?
That's her.
yego niwe.
Please. A moment.
mwe mumpaye akanya murebe wa mugore wapfuye Scarlett Watkins uyu ni umugabo we. ubwo bamusize hano abasezera umugore we. uyu mugore we nawe yari ari kuri list y'abapfuye niwe wari ufite cabinet d'avocat biciyemo hejuru. yeah.
Municipal sweeps, things to keep in mind. There are elements that are going to help us ameliorate, like local law enforcement. You all review your notes. I'll be back.
mwese memureba ibyo twabandikiye aho ndagaruka kuri FBI buri mu kazi bose. sasa bwarakeye uyu nguyu yaraye asohokanye n'umuhungu.
You're late.
wakererewe.
The polite thing to say would be hello.
ikintu cya discipline wari kumbwira ni mwaramutse basi cyangwa biti. uraza umbwira ngo nakererewe. iki?
Your day, Reese.
wewe wari wajyanye na shiri wayo byagenze biti?
It was nice.
byari sawa pe. numve.
He was quite the charmer.
rwose yari mwiza nganiriza neza.
Into it.
noneho wabigezemo neza. numve.
Unbelievable.
ntabwo nabyizera.
Considering the current circumstances,
nkurikije gahunda turimo ukuntu imeze
nice to be with someone who's actually interested.
byibura nabonye ari byiza kuba nahuye n'umuntu ukunda akazi nkora. nari mbikeneye. yahuye n'umuhungu.
Get it.
ndabyumva.
Robert's.
afande Robert ari kuganiriza umugabo wa Scarlett wapfuye mu minota 20 arabaje. Okay.
But a heart attack.
mutima.
We all thought that was strange.
twese twumvaga ari ibintu bidasanzwe.
She was the healthiest person in our family.
umugore wanjye yari muzima yari ameze neza.
Sorry for your loss.
kwicwa n'umutima umusaza biramucanze. wihangane kubw'igihombo wagize.
She didn't mention or do anything strange or out of the ordinary last week.
ese mu cyumweru gishize mbere y'uko apfa nta kintu kidasanzwe yaba yarigeze akora.
She didn't mention any financial decisions.
ese nta myanzuro yerekeranye n'amafaranga yigeze akubwira.
Significant sum deposited
birasa
in the
nkaho
account just last week.
hari amafaranga yashyize kuri konti y'icyumweru gishize. oya nta kintu yambwiye.
It appears she had a significant sum
nanone hari andi mafaranga
deposited into her checking account.
yinjiye kuri konti ye adasanzwe mu cyumweru gishize. byo ntacyo mbiziho.
But you do know why she transferred $10,000 to you the day before she died?
umunsi mbere y'uko apfa se waba uzi impamvu yakoherereje ibihumbi 10 by'idolari kuri konti yawe?
She left me the money so
yarangurije amafaranga
back into my kids' lives
kugira ngo nsubire mu buzima bw'abana banjye
behind on their support.
kuko nari maze igihe natanga amafaranga y'indezo anguriza ibihumbi 10.
And now she's gone.
none yapfuye. Yeah. uyu ari hano yaje kwifashisha umuhaka amenye bari abantu bose bamaze gupfa nawe bahuriye kuki bahuriye he.
Found something?
hari icyo ubonye?
No.
Yeah.
Aside from the fact that you're the only man living from amongst those 5 names.
usibye kuba ariwe ukiri muzima muri ariya mazina 5 yose wampaye.
I'm here.
Impamvu rundi hano urayizi.
You know what the dark web is?
Icyo bita dark web urakizi? Yego.
Okay. So people send money and guns.
Abantu buriza amafaranga n'imbunda.
Secret shit.
N'ibindi bintu by'ibanga.
No one knows who sent it or where.
Ku buryo nta muntu umenye ngo ninde wabyohereje cyangwa byaturutse.
None of your dead bodies are anywhere to be found.
Bara bose bapfuye nta hamwe umuntu yababona. Ikirisha kubashakira hirya no hino yababuze. Rebe. Kira gutya.
All right, there she goes.
Wabonye?
This mean anything to you?
Ibi hari icyo bisobanuye kuri wowe?
Warp.
Warp, ijambo warp.
No.
Yeah.
It should. Check.
Ifite kuba ryakagize icyo rikubwira. Niba konti yawe. Ubwira ngo narebe kuri konti, afata telefone rebe muri konti ye. Ibi filime. Fungurano.
Tell.
Cyo nakubwira.
Each of these 5 names received a bank transfer of 50 grand in the week leading up to their death.
Bano bontu bose bapfuye mu cyumweru mbere yuko bapfa bari bakiri 50,000. Bivuye kuri company yitwa WAP.
The same account, but I can't trace anything back.
Kandi konti yoherezwe amafaranga ni imwe. Rebe. Uyu nawe 50,000 byamugezeho by'idolari.
Things here. Either Warp.
Iyo company yitwa WAP.
Advanced security system.
Ishobora kuba ifite system ikomeye cyane muri Amerika irenze.
It never existed in.
Cyase kabitanabaho. Kimwe muri ibyo. Kuko kuyihakinga byagoranye ntibari kuyibona. Fata dunia yo tunywe.
Looks like you received a transfer about 4 months ago from the same company.
Bisa nk'amezi anashize nawe wakiriye amafaranga angana kuriya nk'ayabandi bose bapfuye boherejwe 50,000 by'idolari. Barabwira uyu.
Yeah.
Yego.
I remember.
Ndabyibuka.
Oh. You find the guy that initiated the transfer?
Wakoresha amafaranga se?
Culprit.
No mumenya rero uramenya nubiri inyuma.
You should go kick his ass.
Ugenda umukubiti.
Doesn't matter anymore.
Ubu ntacyo bikivuze kumumenya.
Who was he?
Yari indese, yarapfuye.
My best friend.
Yari inshuti yanjye magaro mwohereje amafaranga.
None of my friends ever wired me 50,000.
Cyana inshuti yanjye iranyohereza 50,000 by'idolari.
It's true friendship.
Ngo bwari ubushuti bwa nyabwo pe. Umwereje amafaranga. Ko yari inshuti ye magara. Gusa yarapfuye ni kati. Yapfire mu y'imodoka. Tuvira tugore kuri wa musaza twabonye. Uyu musaza ngo ni watanze amakuru y'ahantu basanze cya kibe kirashe ari naho basanze liste dutangira filime.
I need you to deliver this envelope discreetly.
Iyi envelope ndagira ngo ugira ahantu yincyanira mu ibanga rikomeye cyane. Ukantu yakongeyeho.
Here's the address.
Adresse ngizi. Ukora uko ushoboye ntagire umuntu n'umwe ukubona.
I'll let you know when it's done.
Ndaza kukumenyesha nimbirangiza. Katururi.
After I left the FBI, my friend Kurt
nyuma yo kumvuye muri FBI inshuti yanjye Kurt
called me in for a freelance job.
Yamagaye gukora akazi ariko nk'umunyakiraka muri company ntazi.
They did a $50,000 wire transfer.
Ndangije akazi banyohereje 50,000 by'idolari.
Regarding payments.
Kubyerekeranye no kwishyurwa.
You seem to be making quite a fortune.
Bisa nkaho amafaranga yo yafite.
To renegotiate.
Yarugiye kongera
$100 I took.
Kuri amadolari 200 twari twumvikanye unyungiza.
Upon completion of the job.
Ibyo turabiganiraho nurangiza akazi.
What more do you need?
Exactly.
Did
to Kurt's account. Facebook, Twitter account.
Kati ndagira ngo nawe umuhacking urebe ibya imbuga ze nkoranyambaga byose.
Stable.
Katururi. Zano.
What's that?
Byo ni biki?
Gotta go.
Ngiye mfite kugenda. Turaza gusubira. Yinjirire.
We still don't have any answers on why she died, who wanted her dead. Of course, we've interviewed each one of the victims' families, Jimmy Anderson, John.
Twakoze iperereza kuri bari abantu bose bamwe bapfuye avuga amazina yabo.
Now, each one of our victims thought they died of a simple heart attack.
Bose famiye zabo ntago bumvaga ko abantu babo bakwicwa n'umutima.
They did not die of natural causes.
Niyo mpamvu twabwiye ko batishwe n'urupfu rusanzwe.
Series of planned murder.
Ahubwo bapfuye urupfu rumaze rwarapanzwe.
Based on our intel, and in return we get nothing. Great.
Kanya rundi waje.
Not at all. Ronnie, come on in. Everybody, please welcome Ronnie.
Hi, everyone.
Ronnie's done a lot of work overseas, and he's our new crypto analyst.
Ugiye kuzano nundi muntu ugiye kujya udufasha gukuramo kode kuko bamaze kubona urwandiko. Ugiye kubafata yitwa Roni. agiye kufasha gukuramo kode cya gipapuro nawe akora mbese akazi nk'aka Will Scott.
This is the most complex and intricately designed code I've ever
iyi niyo kode ikomeye cyane muri kode zose nigeze mbona.
to be able to work with your team to
ndetse nishimiye kuba ngiye gukora n'ikipe yanyu.
quite excited.
birashishikaje pe.
Robert told you this was a hit list, right?
Robert yakubwiye ko iyi ari list ngira ngo y'umuntu nyine y'abantu bazicwa.
Hit list, which is why time is of the
ni
essence.
list y'abantu bazicwa niyo mpamvu nkeka ko iki ari ikintu tugomba kwikutisha tugakoresha neza.
I'll continue.
rero ndakomeza.
I can already tell that the document here contains a few various types of codes. For example,
urabona nk'izi kode ziri hano
appears to be a Caesar shift for certain symbols.
urabona ibi ni ibimenyetso bya Caesar. hari ibimenyetso bigiye bitandukanye bifite n'amazina agiye atandukanye. iyi ni inzobere mu byo gukuramo kode nayije kugira ngo irebe ko yavumbura amazina n'amatariki bari abantu bazicirwa.
Did say time was of the
aho
essence.
ubwawe watwibwiriye ko igihe ari ikintu cy'ingenzi cyane. urumva nimba ari list y'abantu bazicwa ugomba kuvumbura amatariki bazicirwa mbere y'uko bicwa.
Most code breakers are trained in one or two specialities.
You're saying you can't do it.
urashaka kuvuga ko utabishobora se?
I'm saying it'll take longer.
ndavuga ko bishobora gutwara igihe
Bound to be mistakes.
kugira ngo twirinde ikosa.
Take risk someone's life.
ikosa uri buze gukorera aza gutuma hari ubuzima bw'umuntu bubigenderamo.
And tell me something useful.
utubwire ibintu bifite akamaro.
Partner is trying to say,
icyo umwunganizi wawe ashaka kuvuga ni
what progress have you made thus far?
ese umaze kugera ku cyo utangiriye akazi Roni?
I think I'm making progress on
aho ngeze ni
the first few letters on the next line.
hari amaretere n'imirongo ya mbere maze kugenda nkuramo kode.
Do you have any names?
urakeka hari amazina ufite?
Not yet.
ntabwo amazina ndayabona.
Better get on it.
genda uyabone yahita anasohoka. niba urumva ibintu byakorwa byihuse cyane hatagira undi muntu ubipfiramo. Riz Roni
Please, sit down.
icara.
Everybody's a little tense over this case.
abantu bose kino kirego cyabatesheje umutwe iyo bumva rero kiri kugenda ko niyo mpamvu ubona barakara nk'uyu akahita yivumbura akagenda. yaje kumureba.
What the hell was that?
birabyari ibiki arivumbuye. uriya mukinga azanye imikino.
Besides, you can't jump down his throat before he's had a chance to look at
nta nubwo arareba kuri list ariko utangiye kumera nk'umufashe mu ishinga.
Will Scott's all we got. He cracked the first few lines in what? 2 days?
Will Scott uribuka ko mu minsi ibiri amaze kumenya amazina y'abantu benshi. niwe muhanga.
Scott is on the run. And even if we do catch him,
Will Scott nawe rero kandi tumufashe
voluntarily help us decipher the list.
ntabwo twizeye ko yanadufasha gukemura kino kibazo ngo akuremo kode muri ruriya rwandiko. turi ahita co tuvuye yaratwigarukira hano ku ishuri aho umwana ari. aba FBI bakomeje kumurinda no kumuba hafi cyane ko bamenye ko papa w'umwana akiri muzima. wenda bishobora gutuma bafata papa w'umwana bari ku ishuri nawe bamuriho. hano gusuhuza muzehe. ariko kumbuye nanjye mwana afite ukuntu yibeta akaza agasuhuza papa we mu ibanga rikomeye cyane.
What's the matter?
ikibazo cye ntugire ikibazo.
Daddy, the police are looking.
papa polisi ziri kuguhiga. yeah.
Did you do something bad?
ese hari ikintu kibi wakoze?
Not really.
yeah.
Questions?
Many.
hari ibibazo bakubajije byinshi.
Okay, what'd you tell him?
wababwiye iki?
Nothing.
ntacyo.
I promise.
nkuko nari nagusezeranije.
You'll remember?
si twumvikanye siko ntacyo ngomba kuvuga papa ubundi umwana umubwiye ati ntuvuge ibintu ntaba agomba kubivuga.
She knows you're alive.
mama kandi niwe yamaze kumenya ko uri muzima. FBI yarabimubwiye.
I would have done this under better conditions, but
nakifuje kuba nabikoze neza ariko isabukuru nziza mwana wanjye amuzaniye agapupe. yeah.
okay. Just better get back.
mwana wanjye rusubirayo.
Please notice you're missing, but you put him in here.
mbere yuko hagira umuntu nakubona sibyo mwana nasubiriyo.
Get you there.
ni akana ke uko byamera kose nubwo ari guhigwa nubwo ibibazo bikomeye ari no kuri list y'abazapfa agomba gushakanya akabona n'umusaza n'umwana we.
I take it you're a morning person.
tuvuye yaratugaruka yakoni no kuri uyu.
Yeah.
yego
Me too. Have a good day.
yego rwose ugira umunsi mwiza. wa mukobwa arizi ni FBI.
All right.
I'll see you soon.
sawa tuze gusubira rwose ntaribi ari hakunino kureba hano munsi y'umuryango wi abona hari icyamverope banyujijemo urebe filime hey ni Riz nebe ukingura nebe nindo nyujijemo envelope munsi y'umuryango ni Riz ntawabona katorori asubiramo indani urebe filime Yo, fungura gutya envelope abona afande we Robert ni ya foto ni ifoto yafoto ari kumwe n'umusaza hejuru y'inzu wa musaza watanze amakuru ari nawe watanze amakuru yaho ibintu byatangiriye byose y'abantu bagombaga kugenda ndetse ari naho basanze rwa rwandiko rurimo kode yabonye ifoto y'umusaza uri kumwe na fande wabo bita Robert uriya musaza none tukaba twamubonye atanga ina envelope y'umuntu ati njyanira iyi envelope kandi ntagire umuntu ukubona tugaruke kuri uyu ni wa muhaka ubona bimeze nk'ibisazi ariko baraba hatari na dunia yote ruhande akomeza guhakinga yige kuri bari abantu babwenga hakinge cyane cyane umuntu bita kati ni wa wundi wapfira impanuka y'imodoka uye kure telefone rebe ni Celeste telefone kuri yari kumwe na Kerere niwe basigaye babana. Hello?
Will. Your friend Kurt?
Inshuti yawe Kurt.
I have evidence he was working for the company.
Bonye menyetso ko nayo koreraga ya company.
Now, Warp's not a company name.
Warp nagari company.
It's word they use for money transfer.
Warp abwo ni kode bakoreshaga bashaka kohereza amafaranga. Yagasani. Warp nagari company.
Using it to crack Kurt's account.
Nagereje kwinjira muri konti ya Kurt.
Worked like a pack mule.
Nabonye ari benshi cyane kandi konti iriho n'amafaranga menshi cyane. Ndaje nguhamagare. Ngo ni benshi bakorana nawe. Kandi konti iriho amafaranga menshi. Ni wa mugenzi wapfuye. Ugeri hano. Hari inshuti yaza kumwihinduka yitwaga Kati wa agent wa FBI. Sasu yaza hano. Gusa ubwenge ijambo Warp ntago ari company ni password. Yahise atsimbura ya telefone yahishe munsi y'intebe. Uyu mukobwa bana ntayazi ni telefone ya Kati. Yandikamo rya jambo Warp ngo ni nka password bakoresha buriza amafaranga. Telefone y'umugizi wa nabi wari umugambanyi turingira funguka. Yawusare n'inshuti ye. Urebe filime. Ahita ajya muri nimero zamuhamagaye kureba yahamagaye na nimero imwe ya nimero banavuganye bwa nyuma ahita yihamagara yumva uwo muntu wakoranaga na Kati ninde wamugambaniye. Telefone yahamagaye dore ngira sonera mu nzu arimo Nyagasani. Hey! Bifuza ngo uyu mukobwa rero umugambanyi yakoranaga na Kati baraziranye. Yamagaye nimero yavuganye bwa nyuma na Kati asanga ni umukobwa Nyagasani. Umukobwa babanaga mu nzu yarazi ngo ni uri kumufasha ngo na papa yabipfiriyemo nimero yaciyemo ni y'umukobwa. Hey! Uyikangamo nta muntu wo kwizera. Na nimero yari yarayisevinze ko ari Kati. Dore ukuntu barebana. Do bose batangira kureba imbunda. Umuntu ukwitanguranwa. Do urebe. Hey! Bose twase bagiye gutanguranwa imbunda rero nk'ibisanzwe. Utazacikwa na episode y'ubutaka umunsi w'ejo. Tuzasomanukirwa.
Waba warihebye cyangwa baraguciye intege wumva ko ubwo burwayi ufite nta kizere. Gana ivuriro Benson Life Center ryujuje ubuziranenge. Igufitiye imiti yizewe kandi yagiye ifasha benshi. Dufite umuti witwa Ishema ufasha abagabo benshi bacika intege mu gihe cyo gutera akabariro. Ku bagore twabazaniye umuti witwa Igisubizo cy'umunyarwandakazi. Ni produit ifasha abagore batagira ubushake, ububobere ndetse n'amavangingo mu gikorwa cy'amabanga y'abashakanye. Tunafite imiti ifasha abantu bahuye n'ikibazo cyo kwikinisha, imiti ivura amibe ikanavanamo igikono cyayo. Tunavura abantu bafite ibibazo by'imitsi, amagufa, uruhu n'ubuhumekero n'izindi ndwara nyinshi. Ku bindi bisobanuro ivuriro Benson Life Center wadusanga mu Gatenga ku muhanda uzamuka uteganye no kwisonga cyangwa se ukaduhamagara kuri nimero zikurikira 0788 644 38
Indi nyama nk'umushibagirwa ibindi byo gukanda guhera none. Fata telefoni yawe ukande akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego ubone ibitangaza. Aho ushobora kugura umuriro, amayinite, ifatabuguzi rya Star Times ukagabanyirizwa buri ukuguze. Kanda akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego uranshimira nyuma. Ifashe easy and affordable for you.
amahirwe koko aza rimwe mu buzima. Uwazanye ikinyobwa duniya yote yegereje abanyarwanda andi mahirwe. Tombora iby'agaciro binyuze mu kinyobwa duniya yote. Banyarwandakazi bakunze ikinyobwa cyacu, aya mahirwe ntabacike. Mu gihe cyose uguze ikinyobwa cyacu uramenye ntujugunye umufuniko, kuko ariho hibereye amahirwe 1000 yo kuba watsindira ibintu by'agaciro nka televiziyo, telefone, decoder za Canal Plus, amagare, casque za moto n'ibindi byinshi. Icyo usabwa nta kindi, wowe nyarukira ahacuruzwa ibinyobwa hose mu gihugu maze wisabira ikinyobwa duniya yote, nawe winjire mu bandi banyamahirwe. Nyamuneka aya mahirwe ntabacike, kuko ab'inkwakuzi ibya mbere batangiye kubyibikaho. Duniya yote, genda waziye igihe koko.
Sanzwe mu mujyi wa Kigali, kuko kuri ubu aho wakirira inshuti mugasangira mwisanzuye hafunguye imiryango. Ariko kandi ni ngombwa ngo nawe ubwawe wifate neza, usohokera ahantu hagezweho muri Kigali habereye ijisho, aho witegeye bikorerwa mu murwa mukuru w'u Rwanda. Mwabamenye nka Gift Supermarket kwa Rubangura, ubu noneho hagezweho Gift Restaurant, aho serivisi baziho kuva izina warimenya zigenda zihinduka, zaguka kandi zinarushaho kunogera abahagana. Yaba ari breakfast, lunch, pizza, coffee, juice cocktails ndetse n'agasembuye, byose ni standard. Dusange mu mujyi rwagati mu nyubako ya Kigali City Tower, hariranga kuko hari terrace irahirengeye mu mitako ibereye ijisho. Duhamagare kuri 0788 tugukorere home delivery cyangwa booking.
Umumama mwiza sirimutse umubwirwa n'iki? Umukobwa mwiza w'ikizungerezi umubonera he? Ngenda banza nkamwitegereza, nkareba imyambaro yambaye, nkareba imitako yitatse, nagira amahirwe yo kumwegera, nkumva imibavu yiteye, nkavuga nigenda urasirimutse. Gezaho nta kindi, ibyo nibyo byiza nyaburanga ku mwari n'umutegarugori ubereye u Rwanda. Ikibazo kigasigara ari nihe nakura ibyo byiza byizewe nanjye. Igisubizo kikaza ari kimwe gusa: Dress Cycle. Dress Cycle utwegere tukwambike utandukane n'abandi, aho uciye hose bakwirahire. Tubarizwa mu mujyi wa Kigali, mu nyubako ya Chic, mu marembo yegeranye na MTN, muri floor ya mbere, mu muryango E066A. Duhamagare kuri nimero yacu ariyo 078 146 958 cyangwa se 078 969 424. Dress Cycle, we make you look different.
Mfite amafaranga, mfite buri kimwe, ariko nabuze ahantu ho kusohokera. El Clasico Beach kwa West.
Dore ubuzima bantu musohokera Gisenyi, ntuzavuge ngo wariye ubuzima utageze El Clasico Beach. El Clasico Beach kwa West hakomeje kuba kwisonga mu hantu nyaburanga ho gusohokera n'abawe, aho wakirwa neza wirebera ku mazi, ufata ku mafu y'ikiyaga cya Kivu. Tubafitiye byinshi. Nifi yaho yamenyekanye cyane, bafite umwihariko wo kukurobera ifi mu Kivu, ako kanya bagahita bayikokereza nta handi iciye. Kugira Rubavu nturye ifi nk'iyi ubu umeze nk'utahageze. Dufite ba mucoma b'abanyamwuga bagutegurira amafunguro atandukanye kandi mu buryo bwiza. Tubafite ibyo kunywa byose, ibisembuye n'ibidasembuye, winywera wirebera ku mazi iruhande rwawe. Tubafite amato batembereza mu kiyaga cya Kivu, bakagutembereza ku turwa tuhakikije, harimo akitwa ku k'abakobwa. Tubatembereza mu mashyuza abakunda kwidagadura namwe. Buri weekend tubafite ababyinnyi babasusurutsa. El Clasico dukora amasaha 24. Ikindi yo musohokanye mwazanye murenga 15, tubatembereza mu bwato ku buntu. Wifuza gutanga komande cyangwa ku bindi bisobanuro waduhamagara kuri ikaze El Clasico Beach kwa West.
Sani pesa tiki tiki.